Grab my tools. That's my daughter. So cute. Then we pop the hood. Check out the interior. We'll do a full walk around too. Cool guy. Welcome guys, welcome back to the channel. So we have a small little install today, very small one. Something pretty rare, pretty neat too. It's the Fields emblem holder with a EK9 type R badge. Shout out to Fields FD2, Tom, appreciate you. And we'll go for the install. So I gotta pop out my cooling plate. Keep these clips. Don't mind the engine bay, it's pretty dirty. Let me wash it and clean it and all that good jazz. Straight. But it's not. We got her in, right in the center. Looks pretty center to me. What you guys think? Or am I tripping? I feel like it's off to the left. But y'all let me know down in the comments below. It looks pretty off to me. But the line's right here and they go all the way up. Should be good.